Aaron here. Today we're at this house. We've already dug out all that. We're installing artificial turf on this half of the yard. That half's already done years ago. In order to keep everything clean, we've rolled out this beautiful filter cloth path over everything. So you don't want to mark up these flagstones or this interlock that's underneath it here. This is our access in and out. And this is the stretch here down these 3 steps, 4 actually, all the way to that shed, which will be getting turf. This is all that's left of the existing grass. So we're removing all that, digging down about 5 inches deep. And then once this is all dug out, in about half an hour, the guys are coming in to do the irrigation and reroute it everywhere. Once they're done, we'll come back in with all our gravels, get this all raked out and tamped. And after that, we'll begin leveling it for where we want everything to go, drainage-wise, this way and that way. And then we'll lay our turf. We'll bring you along for that part soon.
And then you got to cut it right against the seam. Near the edges.